NASA finds solar system filled with as many planets as our own. Cool. NASA found an entire solar system with as many planets as our own. The discovery of a new planet around the Kepler 90 star, which looks like our own sun, means the distant solar system has a total of 8 known planets. And those planets look like those in our own neighborhood. Rocky planets orbit close to the star, with gas giants further away. We're going to a different planet. The star and the family of planets were already known about, having been detected by the Kepler Space Telescope. But the breakthrough came when astronomers found the new world, which was done using Google's artificial intelligence technology. The computer was trained to look through the data from the Kepler Space Telescope and look for signals that might belong to planets, and it's found new planets within the existing system, but spotting signals that seemed to indicate something of interest but were too weak to have been spotted by humans. That suggests there might be whole worlds that are solar systems hiding within the data that we've already collected, but which we had not noticed because there are simply so many signals to pick through. It's a case of too much data, not enough people to go through. Kepler has collected 4 years of data from looking at the sky and around 150,000 stars, far more than a human ever could look through. Just as we expected, there are existing discoveries lurking in our archived Kepler data, waiting for the right tool or technology to unearth them, said Paul Hertz, director of NASA's Astrophysics Division in Washington. This finding shows that our data will be a treasure trove available to innovative researchers for years to come. Researcher Andrew Vandenberg said he would not be surprised if there was not even more planets lurking to add to the newly discovered systems. He said that it almost certainly won't be the last system that has 8 planets, suggesting our own solar system is not really all that extraordinary. Indeed, the Kepler 90 system might have more planets in it than we have not been able to spot yet. The same has been suggested for our own solar system, leading the two to be linked in a race to find out which of them might be in fact bigger. The planets in the solar system are much more closer together than they are in our own, but this is very stable. The Kepler 90 star system is like a mini version of our own solar system. You have small planets inside the big planets outside, but everything is scrunched is much closer, said Vandenberg, a NASA Sagan postdoctoral fellow and astronomer at the University of Texas in Austin. The Kepler 90 system is 2,500 light years away and is not a particularly good candidate for finding life. But the discovery of the almost sheer number of planets in each solar system does improve the chances of finding it, simply by suggesting that there could be far more exoplanets than we ever thought. At the same time as they found the important new Kepler 90 planets described as sizzling hot world that orbits around a star every 14.4 days, astronomers also found another planet around the Kepler 80 star. The new planets are just like all those thousands found by Kepler, were spotted by watching the sky for light coming from the stars. When the planets pass in front of their stars, scientists can register the dimming as they go and use the speed and characteristics of the dimming to work out the solar system might actually look like. So they're using shadows and stuff like that. Much of the work relies on pattern recognition, which until now has been done by scientists looking through the data. But the new findings are a result of work between NASA and Google, which train machine learning algorithms to learn to spot those patterns itself, and so pick through the data at a much more quickly. To train up the algorithm, Google AI was shown 15,000 signals that have already been checked. It could then look through others, unverified data to look for the same patterns. This is thought to be the first time that the neural networks of its kind were used to find patterns in the Kepler data. Scientists hope to use the same AI technology with the rest of the Kepler data set. As well as the data from other telescopes, Kepler has been looking at one patch of the space for 4 years, but is now moving around the rest of the sky, sending further information back down to Earth, all of which contain potential planets, and so will benefit from being looked at by Google's artificial intelligence. The results are demonstrating the enduring values of Kepler's mission, said Josie Dotson, Kepler's project scientist at NASA Ames Research Center in California's Silicon Valley. The new way of looking at the data, such as this early stage research to apply machine learning algorithm, promises to continue to yield significant advances in our understanding of planetary systems around other stars. I am sure there are more firsts in the data waiting for people to find them. Okay, so the Kepler 90 system. Basically, I have a photo on the screen. I'll put that up for you now. That basically shows you the relation to the two solar systems, us and them. Kepler 90 obviously being on the top. But yeah, guys, obviously, look, the basic skinny version of all this is they're using machine learning to go through and to detect patterns in the data. So that allows them to go through and find other planets more efficiently. Obviously, you know, I get a little worried when we're talking about artificial intelligence and it learning stuff, but, you know, this is probably a good thing. And it's kind of exciting that they're finding these other planets too, because it means when we screw up this one, we can go and screw up other planets. No, but seriously, guys, look at the end of the day. Yeah, obviously, look, it's a big thing. This is a big step. And it means that they'll be able to find planets at a faster rate too. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, all we need now is the technology to get there, and we can go and check these planets out ourselves. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are you does this interest you? Are you interested in this sort of stuff, or you're like, nah, not really caring? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Apart from that, guys, obviously if this video has been helpful, please smack a like. If you're new channel, welcome and subscribe. And apart from that, guys, I'll see you in the next demonetized video from YouTube. Have a great day and enjoy.